How do we understand contradictions in Torah redemption narratives? Imagine reading a story that seems to tell two different versions of the same event. That's often what we see in Torah redemption stories. These apparent contradictions can puzzle us, but they actually reveal the richness of the text. The Torah includes multiple perspectives and versions of events, which serve different purposes. These variations come from the diverse sources and traditions that shape the Torah over time. Some stories about redemption highlight God's justice, while others focus on mercy and covenant. When we see these differences, it's helpful to remember that the Torah isn't just a history book. It mixes stories, laws, poetry, and genealogies to teach us lessons. These different voices invite us to think deeply about what redemption really means. They show us that redemption isn't just about being freed from slavery. It also involves spiritual renewal, ethical growth, and a relationship with God. Sometimes a story might emphasize God's judgment and other times His mercy. Both are true and part of a bigger picture. These contradictions aren't errors. They are clues that point to the layered nature of redemption. They encourage us to study and interpret the text, which is a key part of Jewish learning. By doing so, we see that redemption is a process with many steps. It begins with physical liberation, then moves to spiritual awakening, and finally to moral responsibility. Recognizing these different parts helps us understand that redemption is ongoing and complex. It's not just a single event but a journey that involves struggle, hope, and transformation. These stories reminded us that the path to redemption is filled with different experiences and lessons. They show us that understanding the Torah's contradictions helps us see redemption as a dynamic process. It's about growth, change, and the ongoing relationship between humans and the divine. This approach helps us appreciate the depth of the Torah and its message about freedom, covenant, and divine partnership.